This shimmering Black Lemon Drop Martini was made using Black Vodka. And guess what? You don't have to buy a bottle. You can make it at home in literally seconds. What's up, home bartenders? I'm gonna show you how to make your own Black Vodka at home in literally seconds. And then we're gonna make this Black Lemon Drop Martini perfect for Halloween. Let's do it.
Okay, so pretty simple recipe. We've got some vodka and we're adding black food coloring gel. I recommend the gels. They're better than the liquid stuff. Wilton and Americolor are some good brands. All right, so just lower it into the bottle, swirl it around. You might have to add a few portions because you want it to be opaque. All right, keep going until it's jet black and opaque. And then we're gonna give it a good shake. And because a lot of the food coloring, the gel will get kind of stuck on the bottom, so a really good shake. And there it is, Black Vodka. Slap on a sexy label, and let's make the Black Lemon Drop Martini. 2 ounces of your Black Vodka. Try not to spill a quart of it on the bar mat. After that, 3/4 ounce of Cointreau, or you could use triple sec. Don't use a dark orange liqueur because that'll, well, I guess with the black one it doesn't matter. For the standard lemon drop, you don't want a dark liqueur because it ruins the color. Lemon juice, a full ounce. Just a little bit of simple syrup. This is a sweeter drink, but you could leave that out if you don't want it too sweet. And then I decided to add a little bit of the purple edible glitter. It gives it a kind of a nice shimmering effect. It did kind of make it slightly blue. If you had like silver edible glitter, it'd be even better. All right, we have a sugar rim on our martini glass. Pour it in, and there it is.
The Lemon Drop Martini with Black Vodka. And we've got some purple luster dust in there that's giving it this nice shimmering effect. A great addition to any Halloween menu. I mean, that's a great drink. I'm not a huge vodka fan, but this is nice and crisp and fresh. Very lemony, very citrusy. I mean, my mind immediately goes, it'd be better with gin. But it is a really good drink. If you don't want too much kind of botanicals, too much spirit flavor, then, I mean, that's basically the reason vodka exists, is for people who don't want a spirit forward drink and prefer to taste other flavors. This is great. So the Black Vodka dates back to the late 1990s. It was a British brand of vodka, and the idea was to create a dark spirit so that bartenders could create some kind of cool looking dark cocktails without altering the flavor. Because if you wanted to make a black cocktail, you would have to use something like coffee liqueur or an Amaro, things like that that would obviously alter the flavor. This allows you to add that black color without altering the flavor, and just by adding some alcohol. In a sense, very similar to blue curacao, which, yes, technically is orange flavored, but let's be honest, it really just tastes like blue. But it allows you to create fun blue drinks. What other vodka drinks do you think would make a great Halloween edition using the Black Vodka? Let me know in the comments down below. Guys, if you want to see a whole playlist of Halloween cocktails, check out this playlist right here. If you want to see my recipe for pumpkin spice liqueur, check out this recipe right here. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.